Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm meeting up with my buddy Fedor at Mclean Creek, and we're going to head up top of the world trail. Fedor just recently installed some 513 gears in his Jeep, and he wanted to do a break-in run before we head out and do some real adventures that are going to be coming real soon. So sit back, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Brand new winch. Is that one of those North Shore specials for 449 bucks?
No, it was a Fedor Park special for 380.
That's a smoking deal.
Well, we'll see if it works.
I'm sure it will. Are we gonna air down once we hit trailhead?
There isn't really a trailhead, but there is a spot we can stop across from it.
Gotcha. Just at the trailhead. I'll start airing down. Fedor's just painfully airing down with my air up tool. Last tire. We're gonna be going up that way. This was Fedor's shakedown run after he just re-geared to 513, was it?
Yeah.
The first gear is like crazy low with 513.
I just leave my transmission in third. If you've never been on this trail or have been thinking about doing it, there's bypasses for pretty much everything on this whole trail, so you really don't have to worry. Yeah, this is a little steep. Can't even see what you're dropping into. No, I can. Fedor did take the bypass as well. I thought you were gonna go up. So far so good. Transmission temps are staying low, which is good. One thing about this trail is once you get to the very top, the views of the mountain range are absolutely amazing. I don't think they died here. I think it's just a memorial marker for, maybe it was like their favorite place or something. Because one says 1936 to 1990, the other one says 1932 to 2014. But there is a grave marker somewhere. Somebody lost their brakes and...
Oh, here?
I don't know about here, but top of the world on the backside, I think it was. Look at this view. Clouds are perfect. Forgot a tripod to set up a time lapse. To get a time lapse of this view would have been so epic. But no, I was kind of in a rush. But we're gonna continue that way on another trail, I guess. Got the corona cough from last camping trip.
Oh shit.
Fedor says his Jeep's running good. Gear swap is holding out. It says his front brakes are a little bit squishy though. Might have to bleed them again. I think that's the main road that cuts through right along there. I think I lifted a wheel there.
Yeah, just a little bit.
I was, but I just put it in the front locker. This section's a little bit off camber for sure. Keep your hands inside. See if I can straddle this fucking big hole here. Felt my skid span on that one.
Yeah, you put 33s on there, you'll be good.
Crappy part is it started recording for some reason. The camera kicked out just as you're going through the hole.
I'll do it again.
You want to?
There'll be more. Probably.
Yeah, buddy.
Easy peasy.
Open diffs. Might as well. We're just back to the store and airing up. Fedor forgot his air compressor, so he's using mine. Giving the old single ARV compressor a workout today, filling up a couple Jeeps. So that Volvo fan has enough suction that it's making the other fan turn. I must say it's pretty good time today. Got to get out for a few hours, do a little bit of wheeling. Fedor's Jeep seems like it's running good. Do an inspection when I get home. If everything turns out good, we're gonna hit 2 mountain ranges, go over the Continental Divide into BC, and come down another trail, go over the Continental Divide. It's like a 100-kilometer 4-wheel drive loop. So hopefully hit that on Sunday. Domgats, where are you going? You forgot your fish. I was gonna send this back to Amazon, but I see you're very partial with it. And you're always dragging it around. What are you doing, Domgats? Well, your blood glucose has gone high again. Yes, it has. What are you doing with yourself, Domgats? Do you have some hidden treats that I don't know about? Did you enjoy that I went wheeling today and you had the house to yourself? And are you even paying attention to me, Doms?